Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another review video of a new project. So let's get straight into the video. In this video we'll be talking about Crypto Mining Group, which is registered in UK and which is giving you a trading bot which is equipped with artificial intelligence, and it is also supervised by professional traders team. So you have to just invest your Bitcoin into the platform and your bot will be ready to go. The minimum investment is around $100. If you do not have any knowledge of trading before joining the Crypto Mining Group, it's okay. You have to just invest your cryptocurrency in BTC into the platform. You have to just start the bot and bot will be taking trades for you, and they have their own coin called CMG coin, which is also listed in P2B exchange. You can purchase that coin from there, and this coin is coming with their own benefits. You can purchase some premium membership with the help of that CMG coin trading bot. The Crypto Mining Group is the first platform to offer next generation trading. So this is the first bot which will be giving you next generation trading, which is cost effectiveness and accessibility. You have to just invest minimum $100 into the platform and your bot will be ready to go. They are also providing you weekly payments of return, and you can also recover your invested capital once the minimum investment return has ended. Reliability, so you can rely on the Crypto Mining Group. They have also great security, and all the investments and withdrawals are made in BTC. What are the services provided by Crypto Mining Group? Our main service is our investment and cryptocurrencies. All of them are personally created by their experts after a huge work in research on the trends of financial markets. This bot is created by professionals and they have continuously worked and researched in the market, doing all the analysis. They have come up with that idea of Crypto Mining Group. This is a result of their work. So they have come up with this trading bot which is equipped with artificial intelligence, and the main feature of this bot is that as the bot operates, it keeps learning with the help of the past trades that he has taken. It will be giving the user a best performance and risk control experience with the help of the trading bot. They have created this currency to be used as mean of payment. You will have the opportunity to benefit from it within our platform, where you can use it to make payment of our premium services. As I told you earlier, the CMG coin can be beneficial for you to purchase some premium services. So if you are having good referral program, you can contact their team members and create your referral link and grab your chance of creating a good network within them. You can also get huge profit from the referral program also, and this is a team member. If you have any doubt regarding the bot, you can contact them also. So here are some presentation and videos of Crypto Mining Group you can watch if you want and get some extra information about how they are operating, how they are working. And here is the roadmap of Crypto Mining Group. You can go through it. So if you want to invest into the platform, you have to just click on this to access and sign up with the help of email address. So after signing into the platform, the dashboard will be looking like this, and here you can see the daily returns of the last 30 days, 4.75%, which is very good profit for a day. So if you want to deposit in the platform, here you can see the deposit address. Also scan this QR code or copy this address and deposit into the platform. So after making a deposit into the platform, you have to click on this investment and new investment, and you can create the new investment with the help of this. Give the investment name and what amount you have to invest into the platform. So how long does an investment last? So your investment will be blocked for 3 months, and after that you can cancel it and withdraw your capital. So after creating the investment into the platform, you can just click on the operation and you can check the daily returns and trade won and trade closed. How many percent of profit you are getting per day or per week will be shown here. All the histories of deposit, withdrawals and exchange subscription are shown by clicking on this history tab, and you can get complete detail of all the withdrawal slips or deposit slips from here. So if you want to get more information about Crypto Mining Group, you can follow them on various social media like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and you can also watch the presentation and read their privacy policy and terms and condition before getting into the platform. And if you want to get more detailed information about their upcoming events or future plans, you can subscribe them with the help of your email address. And if you have any doubt or query regarding the bot, you can chat with them on the live support provided here. So before investing into the platform, do some of your own research. As I am not a financial advisor, don't rely completely on me. Do some of your own research. It will be beneficial for you. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.